Hello everyone, welcome to Learning with Shivangi. Today's topic is types of exploratory research. So what are the types of exploratory research and what is the meaning of exploratory research? First we have to come the meaning of exploratory research. Basically, exploratory research is an initial research which analyzes the data and explores the possibility of obtaining as many relationships as possible between different variables without knowing their use and application. Basically, it provides relationship which may be cause and effect relationship between different variables. It may be direct variables, it may be indirect variables, or it may be extraneous variables without knowing about their uses and application for that particular research process. Basically, exploratory research provides basis for general findings. Researchers and practitioners can explore the possibility of using such general findings in future for their research purpose. This type of research lay down the foundation for formulation of different hypotheses of different research problems according to research process. So what are the types of exploratory research? There are basically four types of exploratory research. First one is literature survey, second is experience survey, third is study of problem to have an insight, fourth is case studies. What is meaning of literature survey? As the term denotes literature. So this research is based on literature which is already available in the online mode or in the offline mode. Basically, literature survey is the study involving a collection of literatures in the selected area of research in which the researcher, the practitioner have a little knowledge or little experience, and the critical examination and comparison of them to have better understanding. Research helps the researchers to update the past data sources and results, which will be useful for related researchers in future. For example, review of old research work, demographic analysis, periodic stock exchange, index reports, cross comparison of census details of different countries, monsoon prediction, monsoon forecasting, etc. are the example of literature survey. What is the next type of research? It is experience survey. It is the survey of people who had practical experience with the problem to be studied. These people are basically top executives, sales managers, wholesalers and retailers, etc. The experience surveys examples are material planning, manpower planning, unit state budget, product pricing, etc. So this is related to experience survey. Next is study of problem to have an insight. This is basically a special kind of study oriented to have insight into research topics. This kind of study is mainly case study oriented. For example, if we want to implement the just-in-time manufacturing system in a company, it is the example of study of problem to have an insight. Next is the case study method. It is a form of qualitative study. In the case study, we have to study about a particular company, particular person, individual, institution, family, or group of persons also. It involves a careful and complete observation of a social unit. This technique is very useful, which includes individual factor, whether it can be an institution or a particular group or an individual, and we analyze a relationship between them. So these are the types of exploratory research methods. I again repeat the types: literature survey, experience survey, study of problem to have an insight, and case study method. We will meet in the next video, which is related to types of conclusive research, as we already tell you in the last video, which is types of research. If you like my video, please like and share the video and subscribe my channel also. Thank you everyone.